everyone, good time. Let's crochet this beautiful granny square, star granny square. For this project, I've used cotton yarn. It's 100% cotton. You can use any yarn available. Let's start. To begin, make a magic ring. And chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 14 double crochet into the ring. For double crochet yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. This is called a double crochet. I have 1 double crochet. Another double crochet. Go on until you have 14 double crochet. I have 14 double crochet. Close the ring and insert the hook on top of the first double crochet. Skip the 3 chains. On top of the first double crochet here, slip stitch. And for slip stitching, insert the hook into this stitch, pull up the yarn, and pull this loop through this loop on the hook. For round 2, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first chain into the second chain, create 1 single crochet. For single crochet, insert the hook into this chain, pull up the yarn. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. This is a single crochet. Into the next chain, 1 half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, pull up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. This is called a half double crochet. Into next chain, double crochet. And into last chain, treble crochet. For treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the chain, pull up the yarn. 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the second 2 loops. And yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. Skip the next 2 stitches and slip a stitch into the 3rd stitch. And repeat this pattern by chaining 5, skipping the first chain, and 1 single crochet into the second chain. Half double crochet into next chain. Double crochet into next chain. And treble crochet into last chain. Skip the next 2 stitches into the 3rd chain, slip a stitch. And repeat by the end. Slip a stitch into last stitch and fasten off. On top of the first stitch or single crochet, you can see it's here, and I'm going to use the back loop only. Look, each stitch has 2 loops. One loop is in front, the front loop, and this one is on the back side, and I'm using this one for these parts. So inserting the hook, yarn over, pull it through, chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the same stitch and same loop, like this. Into the next stitch, back loop, 1 half double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet. All of them are into back loops only. And next stitch, treble crochet. Now I'm going to have 2 treble crochet together. For this one, yarn over twice, insert the hook into next stitch, back loop only, pull up the yarn, 2 together, 2 together. Don't complete this stitch. Again, yarn over twice, into the next stitch, back loop only. In fact, this is the chain, 2 together, 2 together. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops. I have 2 treble crochet together, you can see. Treble crochet into the next chain. Here. 2, 2, 2. Oh. Double crochet into next chain. Half double crochet into next. And now I need to repeat this pattern. Single crochet into next stitch, back loop, half double crochet into next, double crochet, treble crochet, two treble crochet together, treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and again repeat the same pattern. Slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet, round 4, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch, 1 single crochet in next, and 1 single crochet in next. In fact, I'm having 3 single crochet. Half double crochet in next stitch, double crochet into next, treble crochet into next. Now I'm going to create my first corner into next stitch. For the corner, 2 treble crochet into next stitch, 1 and 2, chain 2, 2 more treble crochet into the same stitch. 1 and 2. In fact, for corners, I'm having 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet, all into the same stitch. So for the sides, treble crochet into next stitch, double crochet into next, half double crochet into next, single crochet into next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet into next, double crochet into next, treble crochet into next. And it's just the repetition of the same patterns. Into next stitch, I'm going to create my next corner consisting of 2 treble crochet, chain 2, 2 treble crochet, and then the same similar pattern for the side. Treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, 3 single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and next corner. I'll go on and meet you here. After my last corner, I'm having 1 treble crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and now slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet. And if you want to change the color, fasten off. Round 5, join the yarn into any stitch, doesn't matter which one, for example this one, chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the same stitch, 1 single crochet in each stitch until you reach the corner. Into the corners, 2 single crochet, chain 2 and 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch. This is my first stitch, and do this pattern by the end. 1 single crochet on top of each stitch, into the corners 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, and do this until you reach here. At the end, slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet and fasten off, and hide the yarns and the tails until the back side of this square. Consider that from this chain to space until this chain to space, I have 17 single crochet. You should have the same number of stitches on all 4 sides. 17 single crochet from this chain space until this chain space on all 4 sides. My star granny square is over. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!